Alright guys, we're here today at 8933 West Townley Avenue out here in Peoria, Arizona. As you can see, we have the beautiful home right here in front of us. And you can see this is a really nice gated neighborhood. So this is actually going to be the front gate to the neighborhood right here. And as you can see, I mean, all the well-kept plans, all the beautiful landscaping. You can see and hear how quiet and peaceful this neighborhood is, as well as just the beautiful home itself. I mean, I love the design. It's a really cool looking 2-story home. And of course, you get these really cool trees and all the bushes. So, I mean, it's a really good looking home. So let's go ahead and take a step inside. And as you can see, you're gonna step into a hallway, but right off the left, you're gonna have kind of like an open den area, maybe even just like a front room type of space. So you can see when you get a really cool view out of the front of the home. You know, imagine this being like your home office or something like that. You know, you have plenty of space in here to make it your own. So it's a really nice extra bonus area to have. You know, you could even use it as some storage, really anything you would like. And then directly here off the left, we're going to have a hall bathroom. So you can see you get the really cool vanity, you know, everything that you need in there, as well as a really nice sized closet right off of the hallway in the bathroom. So that's another nice hidden storage area. So then once we start coming this way, you're going to have a quick turn to the right, and you're going to have a massive laundry area. So you can see, of course, you get your washer and dryer. I mean, you have a ton of space over here for some extra shelving, you know, some storage areas, really anything you'd like to do with it. And then over here, we have your beautiful 2-car garage, which you can see, I mean, this is a very nice size 2-car. I mean, you could easily fit 2 cars and, you know, some shelving in there, some, you know, all your equipment, anything like that. You're easily going to fit it in there. So let's come across the way, and you're going to have a really cool under the staircase storage area right here. So I mean, this goes down quite a ways. And then we're going to step into the kitchen, which you guys could see, I mean, how cool this kitchen is. You have all your granite countertops. I love the dark accent of all the cabinets as well. You know, it gives it a really nice modern feel, as well as this really cool backsplash that they carry all the way up above the sink over there. So I mean, this is a really nice kitchen. Just imagine being over here. You know, you got your TV going, you have some friends or family over. You get these really cool little hanging like chandelier lights. They almost have little like bubbles in them. So I mean, there's some really cool features to this home that most people wouldn't even notice, as well as a massive walk-in pantry over here. And then you also get this really cool little nook. So, you know, you get some extra storage, some extra shelf space, and just some extra counter space as well. And of course, they carry the beautiful granite and backsplash over there as well. And then this way, you know, this could be like your dining room area. You have a really cool chandelier up there as well, which is something super unique. You know, or you could just have this area as kind of like an extended area of the living room. You know, so you could have like your couch and TV up over here. I mean, this is a huge space that you can really do just about anything you'd like to with. And then let's go ahead and step over here. And this is going to be the primary bedroom. So this is a super nice thing to have, is it actually being on the first floor. You know, so you're not having to go up and down the stairs all the time. You know, if you got some kids, you can make that their job going up the stairs all day. You know, so it's super nice to have, super convenient. And I mean, you can see how beautiful it is down here as well. So you're kind of tucked away at the back of the home. You have this huge window on top of just a really large bedroom itself. And then I want to point out this bathroom. So the primary bathroom, you're going to have a separate shower and tub. You know, so you got a really nice walk-in shower and a really huge tub over here as well. And then over here, we're going to have dual vanities with the nice dark cabinetry as well. So some really cool touches. And then you also get your private toilet room as well. And then this is one of my favorite parts of the home, is probably the biggest closet I've ever seen in my life. So I know the camera's not going to pick up the true size of this room too well. But this could almost be somebody's bedroom with how big this closet is. So this is a perfect space to have a ton of clothes, have all your shoes hung up. It's a really cool space, to have all your clothes and everything in there. And then next, let's go ahead and we'll come over to the back door and let's take a quick look out into the backyard. So you can see you got this cool little storage area over here on the left, and then a beautiful backyard. So you got, your brick, your turf, another little shed over there. So, this is a very low maintenance backyard because, you're not going to be trimming your grass all year round. You got the nice brick, imagine have some friends and family over, barbecuing in the summertime. It is beautiful out here. And it's just a really nice sized yard as well. So, this home is perfect. So let's go ahead and take a step back on inside. So that's going to be about it for the first level of this home. Well, let's go ahead and check out the upstairs real quick. So I will see you guys up at the top of the stairs. All right, so here we are at the top of the stairs. So you can kind of see we just came up right here, and this is what you're going to see. So you have a massive space over here. So you can wrap around a little ways over here as well. So if you come over in this corner room, you can see this is a huge room. And of course you get some really cool windows. I love these little ones because they look over the front of the home. So it's almost, like a little extra security type of deal. You could keep an eye out into the front of the home as well. And it just lets in a ton of natural light, which is super nice to have. So those are the stairs we just came up. And so if you were to have taken a quick right, you would actually see a full guest bathroom up here. See the beautiful dual vanities, again the dark cabinetry, a full shower tub combo as well. So that is a really cool bathroom. And then right over here, right next to the bathroom, is one of the guest bedrooms. So you can see this is a huge guest bedroom. Of course you get your massive closet, and this window is something I wanted to point out. You can see how big this window is. It's almost half of the wall. You can see how much light it lets in, and you get a really beautiful view as well. You can see all the grass, all the trees. So this is a really cool bedroom. And then if we come back across the way, we're going to step into another really nice sized guest bedroom. So it's kind of a copy of the first. You get your really nice closet over there, another huge window. This one's going to be facing out of the back of the home, but you can still see, how cool your view is and how much light gets let in, as well as a really nice sized closet as well for a guest bedroom. And then lastly, we're going to step into another guest bedroom over here, which is basically an exact copy of the one we were just in. So you got your nice window. Of course, you got the huge closet in there as well. So that's going to be about it for the tour of this home, guys. If you have any questions, you want to come see it for yourself, you can do all of that through our website, which is rpmphoenixvalley.com. Thank you guys for touring with me.